Unlock a treasure trove of motivated sellers looking to simplify by learning how to pinpoint downsizers with batch leads. First, we'll leverage batch leads' powerful filtering capabilities to identify properties that are likely occupied by downsizers. Our primary filter here is property type. Focus on single-family homes, as these are the most common dwellings for individuals looking to downsize. You can also consider townhouses if that aligns with your local market. Next, let's refine our search with the year-built filter. Downsizers are often looking to move from larger, older homes. We're going to set a range. Let's say for properties built between 1950 and 1990, this age range typically indicates a home that might be due for an upgrade or simply too large for someone seeking a simpler lifestyle. Now, for a crucial filter, square footage, to identify potential downsizers. We want to target larger homes. Input a minimum square footage, for example. If your market's average home is 1,800 square feet, setting a minimum of 2,500 or 3,000 square feet will help us identify those larger properties many downsizers will be looking to leave behind. Crucially, ensure the owner-occupied filter is set to yes. This confirms the property isn't a rental, and the owner is more likely to be living there, making them a potential candidate for selling. By combining these filters, single-family homes, a substantial year-built range, a high minimum square footage, and owner-occupied properties, you're effectively narrowing down your search to identify those motivated downsizers in your area. This targeted approach with batch leads allows you to efficiently connect with a valuable niche market, opening doors to profitable acquisition opportunities from sellers eager to simplify their lives.